Google just released a tool that turns any business documentation into a full training system in under 20 minutes, and it costs absolutely nothing to run. I am talking about Google's NotebookLM. And what it does for client onboarding is something most agencies are still paying platforms like Teachable $149 a month to handle. That stops today. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact configuration move that makes the output look like a professional platform build every single time. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I show you how to use free AI tools to make money selling services to local businesses and small operators. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is the problem. Every course creation platform on the market operates on the same model. You pay monthly before you have built a single training module, before you have landed a single client, and long before you have made anything back. Teachable starts at $39 a month. Kajabi sits at $149. And here's the thing, if you are a solo operator trying to offer client onboarding systems as a service, that monthly bill is running whether you close deals or not. That is the subscription tax. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $150 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like NotebookLM matter. Google built a source grounding engine that converts raw documentation into structured interactive training portals, and the tool costs $0 to run. Let me show you how this becomes a service you can sell. The framework I use for this is what I call the Zero-Cost Onboarding Stack. It is built on one core principle. Every paid capability a course platform gives you can be rebuilt using free tools if you understand the modular pieces underneath. NotebookLM handles the knowledge transformation layer. You feed it PDFs, Word documents, or even text files. It processes them through its source grounding engine and outputs a training environment your client can interact with. That same capability inside a paid platform, uploading documents, converting them into lessons, making them searchable and interactive, is the entire reason those platforms charge you monthly. NotebookLM does it for free. Here is how you actually build one of these systems. You start with the client's existing documentation. Let's say you are working with a landscaping company. They have safety procedures, equipment checklists, service protocols, all sitting in Word docs and PDFs collecting dust. Nobody reads them. New hires get handed a stack of paper on day one, and it sits in their truck. You take those files and upload them directly into NotebookLM. The tool ingests everything. Then you click Generate Notebook Guide. What comes back is not just a search function. It is a conversational interface that can answer questions, summarize sections, and walk someone through the material step by step. Your client's employees can ask it anything. What is the protocol for a sprinkler line break? Or show me the safety checklist for operating the skid steer. And it pulls the answer straight from the source material. Think about what this means for someone offering custom knowledge bases to local businesses. One upload session, 12 procedure documents processed simultaneously, every training question an employee might ask mapped to the exact section of the right document. That build used to require a platform subscription and hours of manual course structuring. With this stack, it takes an afternoon, and the tool costs nothing to run. That is a $400 setup fee built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Now here is where this gets actually useful for someone running a real service business. Most course platforms lock their interactive features behind higher tier plans. You want quizzes, you pay more. You want custom branding, you pay more. You want analytics on who accessed what, you pay more. NotebookLM does not tier you. It gives you the full conversational interface on every notebook. And because it is grounding every response in the documents you uploaded, the answers do not drift or hallucinate. It is pulling directly from your client's actual procedures. Here's the thing, that workflow works, but there is a version of it that runs 3 times faster, and almost nobody sets it up this way. Give me 60 seconds. When you are building these systems for clients, you are not just handing them a raw NotebookLM link. You are packaging it. Think about a plumbing company. They have service manuals, job quoting templates, customer communication scripts. You upload all of it, NotebookLM processes it, then you create a simple landing page. I use Google Sites, also free, where their team accesses the notebook through one clean branded portal. You title it something like Pro Plumbing Training Hub. That is what makes it look like a professional deliverable instead of just a raw AI tool. The client sees a custom onboarding system. You charge a setup fee and optionally a small monthly retainer if they want updates. The entire stack costs you $0. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me give you a real scenario. A gym owner comes to you, 30 trainers on staff, high turnover, every new hire gets the same onboarding dump, liability waivers, equipment certifications, client communication standards, emergency protocols. Right now, it is a binder and a senior trainer walking them through it when they have time. You take every piece of that documentation, upload it to NotebookLM, and build them a conversational training assistant. New hires ask it questions during their first week. What do I do if a client reports an injury? Where are the AED procedures? Show me the form for documenting a client complaint. The assistant pulls the answer from the exact document. They get trained faster. The gym owner stops paying senior trainers to babysit onboarding. You charge $500 for the setup and $50 a month if they want to add new documents or update protocols. That is a service you just sold with zero software overhead. Or take an HVAC company. They run service calls across 3 counties, 20 techs in the field. Every service has a diagnostic procedure, a parts list, and a customer communication script. Right now, those live in a shared drive nobody opens. You upload them to NotebookLM. Now every tech has a training assistant in their pocket. They are standing in front of a furnace that is not firing. They open the notebook on their phone. Walk me through the ignition troubleshooting steps for this model. The assistant pulls the procedure, they fix it, that is the deliverable. The HVAC owner pays you $600 to build it and $100 a month to keep it updated with new equipment manuals. Most platforms with this capability bundle it inside a plan that costs more per month than your client is paying you. Your version runs for free. That is 2 services from the menu, custom knowledge bases and employee training tools, both enabled by one free stack. No recurring software cost eating into your margin, just setup fees and retainers that land in your account every month. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one thing you have to handle first, or it looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The configuration move that makes the output look like a professional platform build every single time. When you generate a notebook in NotebookLM, you get a conversational interface. But the real power comes from how you structure the source files before you upload them. Here is what nobody tells you. If you upload one giant PDF with everything mixed together, the assistant gets slow and the answers get generic. If you break the content into modular chunks, 1 file per topic, 1 file per procedure, the responses get sharp and the retrieval gets instant. That is the move. Before you touch NotebookLM, you reorganize the client's documentation into clear topic buckets. Safety procedures in 1 file, equipment checklists in another, customer communication scripts in a third, then you upload all of them at once. The tool processes each one separately, but pulls from all of them when answering. The result is a training system that feels custom built instead of duct taped together. That is the difference between a system that holds up with real clients and one that breaks in week 2. The paid platforms handle this automatically because they force you into their course structure. You get it for free, you just have to front load the organization. Picture what changes when this is your default workflow for every one of these services. A restaurant group needs onboarding for kitchen staff. You have the system running in a day. A property management company needs training for maintenance techs. Same stack. A dental office needs protocols for front desk staff. Same build. You are not paying Kajabi or Teachable. You are not locked into a platform that takes a cut or limits your accounts. You are running a modular onboarding service on free infrastructure and charging clients $400 to $600 per setup. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.